Morning. Today we are going to start chapter number 2, Pteridophytes. So first we see introduction about this group Pteridophytes. Pteridophytes are the first group of vascular cryptogams having long fossil history. They are known to exist from as far back as the Silurian age of Paleozoic era and flourished well during the Devonian age. The tree ferns and giant horsetails are the dominating fossil forms of the pteridophytes. This group is generally represented by both fossil as well as living genera. Pteridophytes are represented about 15,000 species. Most of them are native to moist tropical forest. The ferns are the main representative of the group. Cosmopolitan in distribution, plant body in pteridophytes is well organized and sporophytic in nature. Then we must see general characters of this group in relation to the habitat, habit, plant body, plant anatomy, vegetative reproduction, asexual reproduction. So see here that first general characters is there are vascular cryptogamic plants with well developed plant body possessing root, stem and leaves. Plant body is sporophytic but without flowers. So sporophyte produces a sexual reproductive bodies known as spores. Spores are produced in sporangium. Sporangia develop on sporophylls. In many members, sporangia bearing structures are grouped into a cone or stobulus. Plants may be homosporous or heterosporous, that is with megaspores and microspores. Spores after germination produce gametophytes, that is prothallus. Megaspore develops into female cone and microspore develop into male gametophyte. Gametophytic thallus is with rhizoids and chlorophyllous tissues, thus it is independent. Gametophytes develop antheridia and archegonia. Anthrozoids are multiflagellate. Water is necessary for fertilization. Okay. Next character, that is zygote remains in gametophyte which further develop into simple embryo. Embryo develops into the sporophytic plant. Thus at early stage sporophytes is dependent on gametophyte. Sporophytes possesses vascular tissues. Xylem is without vessels and phloem is without companion cells. Plants show distinct alternation of generations. Sporophyte phase is dominant phase while gametophyte phase is independent, short-lived living phase. The sporophytic plants and gametophytic plant have different morphological characters, thus their life cycle is known as diplontic and heteromorphic. Example: Xylotum, Selaginella, Equisetum, Adiantum, Marcellia, etc. Then next point, that is general characters of pteridophytes, which are showing the such type of the different general characters are most important in this group. Okay. Then next point, that is outline classification of pteridophytes according to Sporn in 1976. So see here that this classification is proposed by K. R. Sporn in 1975. He divided the division Xylophyta into 6 classes Out of 6 classes, Xylophyta and Progymnospermospida do not have any living representatives. There are 6 classes such as Xylopsida, which is extinct, Xylotopsida, Lycopsida, Spinopsida, Pteridopsida, Progymnospermopsida. These are the 6 classes which are showing their outline classification. That is, the division Pteridophyta includes 6 classes: Xylopsida, Xylotopsida, Lycopsida, Spinopsida, Pteridopsida, Progymnospermopsida. So out of these, first we see class number 1, that is Xylopsida, which is extinct. No living genera is present in it. It is the most primitive division of pteridophytes, represented by a few fossil genera and only a single living genus, Xylotum, which are showing some important characteristics such as sporophyte with simple plant body consists of subterranean rhizome with dichotomously branched aerial shoots. True roots are absent but rhizoids are present. Third character, true leaves are absent, scaly leaves are present. Next, that is vascular strands is protostelic. Next, that is cambium is absent, so secondary growth is absent. Then next, sporangia are born single at the tip or in a group in the axil of the scale leaves. Then sporangia are homosporous. Gametophyte is poorly developed with endophytic fungi. Anthrozoids are multiflagellated, example Rhynia and Asteroxylon. Okay, thank you.